Welcome. It's your girl Alicia. Hey. Thank you for stopping here. Nice to see ya. Click and learn to beautify your features. You can be neater. Come let me show ya. Welcome.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys 8 quick and easy ways you can style this passion twist hair. So if you guys want to see that, definitely stick around and continue watching this video. So the first style that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take a few strands in the middle of my hair, and I'm basically just going to put that into a ponytail, and there you have it. That's our first style.
Bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Now, the second style I built into a bun, and that's the second style. Easy peasy weasy. Now the third style is, the classic half up, half down. So I'm basically just going to put the top half of my hair into a ponytail, and that would be our third style, just like that.
It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
And now the fourth style is basically like the second style, where I pretty much put the ponytail into a bun, a top messy bun, and it's really cute. I like that. Now the fifth style is where I'm going to be wearing 2 ponytails, giving you guys a little Mickey Mouse vibe, you know the do. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me, like, don't pay me any mind. I'm feeling myself, I guess.
I had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
And the sixth style is where I basically put the ponytails into a bun as well, like the second and the fourth style. By the way, if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this hair, I do have a video up on my channel already. You guys can go ahead and check out the cards right here.
I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself.
Now for my seventh style, this is pretty much a low messy bun to the right and left out on the side of my face, and that's pretty much the seventh style. Now for the final style, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these high puff, pineapple puff vibes like here. What I did is pretty much put my hair into a high ponytail and bring the hair down because it's short, it's easy to get a puff from it. And then I was going to use a scarf, but I could not find one for the life of me, and I ended up having to freestyle. So I got this little blouse right here and I use it for my scarf. Like, you guys gotta know how to, freestyle. So I pretty much used the blouse as a scarf and I wrapped it. And this is the last style. You guys just make sure you go ahead and comment your favorite style down below in the comment section.
Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be.
So if you guys did find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.